Starting around 19 July 2023, BitTorrent sort of is exchanging at $0.00000185 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.83% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is very critical. BTT truly has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $1,704,525,901, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $74,045,513 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. This essentially makes BitTorrent, BTT, for the most part positioning at 58 in the cryptographic money market, or so they thought. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the BitTorrent cost expectation end of 2023, what will BitTorrent especially be fundamentally worth in 2023? Or so they in every practical sense thought. Is BitTorrent an especially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they basically thought. Will BTT cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, which is genuinely critical? These basically are our BitTorrent cost expectations for BTT'(S) future, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. BitTorrent BTT value expectation 2023, as per the BitTorrent figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BTT value sort of is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.00000216, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of BitTorrent, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to fundamentally be $0.00000209. So these truly are our BitTorrent cost expectations for BTT's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, BTT can sort of arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.00000244, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. BTT value conjecture July 2023. The BitTorrent gauge for July 2023 expects that the BTT may sort of arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.00000199, with a base cost of around $0.00000177 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the sort of typical value BTT can truly stretch around $0.00000194 for July, or so they essentially thought. BitTorrent value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for BitTorrent could really stretch around $0.00000207 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BTT in August 2023 in a real sense is $0.00000188, with a truly normal cost of $0.00000198. Incredibly, BTT value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, BitTorrent basically is supposed to by and large arrive at a very least value worth of $0.00000194, which certainly is genuinely critical. The BTT cost could really arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.00000217, with the kind of typical cost around $0.00000202. Incredibly, BTT value figure October 2023. With respect to October 2023, BitTorrent generally is supposed to basically arrive at least value worth of $0.00000198 in a for the most part significant manner. The BTT cost could arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.00000227, with the kind of typical cost around $0.00000206, showing how besides BTT can really arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of $0.00000244 and an in every way that really matters, huge way. BitTorrent value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the essentially most extreme cost for BitTorrent could fundamentally stretch around $0.00000235 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BTT in November 2023 especially is $0.00000203, with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.00000212 in a kind of large manner. BitTorrent (BTT) Value Estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of BitTorrent is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.0000216, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.000000244 and a very least of $0.0000209. Extremely further appearance. How in a real sense is BitTorrent a sort of wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023? Which truly is very huge. BitTorrent most certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The BitTorrent's cost most certainly has shown a very decent increment of 1.07% in the sort of most recent 24 hours in a significant manner. From very most recent 7 days, the BTT was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 3.81%. Showing the way that discussing the extremely normal value BTT can generally stretch around $0.000000194 for July in an unpretentious manner. BitTorrent in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to especially dive right in and really contribute. In any case, after the looking at the in every practical sense current cost with commonly beyond 30 days cost history, it basically is seen that BitTorrent explicitly has expanded 64.773% in its worth, which basically is very huge. The for the most part normal kind of least cost for the month in every practical sense is $0.0000062, while certainly greatest fundamentally normal cost in every way that really matters was $0.0000065, which truly is very critical. This suggests that this coin certainly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to prettier arrangement of coins for certainly long haul in a sort of enormous manner. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is around 60.98%. And the cost generally circled from a base genuinely normal cost of $0.0000071 to especially most extreme by and large normal cost of $0.0000074 in the truly beyond 90 days, showing that BTT value figure July 2023. The BitTorrent conjecture for July 2023 expects that the BTT may sort of arrive at a greatest worth of $0.000000199 with an essentially least cost of around $0.000000177 in a kind of significant manner. In most certainly most recent 4 months BitTorrent has shown a developing pattern, so BitTorrent value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the kind of greatest cost for BitTorrent could stretch around $0.000000207 in an in every practical sense huge way. In this way, we believe that comparative pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner. As per the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of BitTorrent certainly is expanded from 4 months. Showing how in any case, after the contrasting the especially current cost and recent days cost history, it by and large is seen that BitTorrent in a real sense has expanded 64.773% in its worth, or so they sort of thought. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, exceptionally further appearance, how starting around 19 July 2023, BitTorrent most certainly is exchanging at $0.000000185 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.83% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they thought. The coin sort of is up by 65.86%, with the genuinely greatest kind of typical cost of the coin essentially was around $0.0000066, and the especially least typical cost of in a real sense was around $0.0000062 in sort of beyond 4 months. Which sort of is very huge. BitTorrent value estimate 2023 facts. What will explicitly be BitTorrent's sort of worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The BTT cost truly is gauged to arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.000000244, with exceptionally least cost of $0.000000209 toward the finish of 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. Does BitTorrent truly have a future? essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As far as value, BitTorrent especially has an extraordinary by and large potential to arrive at new levels, which essentially demonstrates the way that discussing the truly normal value BTT can for the most part stretch around $0.000000194 for July in a significant manner. It sort of is estimate that BTT will increment in esteem, especially further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of BTT in November 2023 explicitly is $0.0000203 with a by and large normal cost of $0.0000212 in a significant manner. As per really unambiguous specialists and business examiners, BitTorrent can sort of stirred things up around town. The greatest cost of $0.0000096 till 2030, which for the most part, shows that BitTorrent especially has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to buy and large dive right in and contribute, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Is BitTorrent fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023? Which certainly is genuinely critical. BitTorrent's worth explicitly is supposed to explicitly keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in every practical sense, energize cost rise, exceptionally further appearance how from most recent 7 days. The BTT generally was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.81%, showing the way that discussing the by and large normal value BTT can essentially stretch around $0.000000194 for July, which generally is genuinely critical. Kindly note, there sort of is a gamble to any speculation, which generally is very huge. Just essentially put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the truly greatest exploration conceivable, by and large further appearance. How as far as value, BitTorrent for the most part has an extraordinary genuinely potential to generally arrive at new levels, which especially demonstrates the way that discussing the truly normal value BTT can fundamentally stretch around $0.000000194 for July, or so they in every practical sense thought.